In this video, I will show with you how to transfer money from PostFinance. So friends, first log in your account with your all details. This is the first step you need to do. If you have a mobile app, just click a new payment. From this new payment, guys, this is for the app. If you have a device on your web, just click transfer. When you click on transfer, this option, choose the IBAN or account you want to transfer. For example, this is the account here. You want to transfer account. Click this one and choose the amount you want to transfer. This is for web. If you have device on mobile, just choose this option, new payment or transfer. Click on transfer and then choose your all details you want to transfer. For example, this account, and then choose your amount you want to transfer and then click execute payment. This option. So guys, this is on your mobile device. When you click this option, you make sure have money on your credit card or your account and then complete transaction. This is easy steps, guys. Just log in your account and then choose a new transfer, and for your device choose a transfer here and choose the IBAN or account you want to transfer, and then write your amount in currency Switzerland. So guys, this is how you can do it. It is easy steps. I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.